Inhale, shin comes down, elbows come out wide. Nice cadence with each other, everyone. Have a nice, strong, enjoyable time. Exhale, stretch your chest up, push the chin back, squeeze your hips, push your hips a little bit more.
Back. Squeeze your arms against your ears. Go through your whole body, take your time, stretch through the tips of your fingertips, and push, and push. Come on down, and push. Squeeze the palms together, stretch the tips of the fingertips. Everyone, bring your left hip more forward. Right armpit more forward. Squeeze your shoulder blades tight, use your back muscles. Keep yourself lifted. Open up your chest like a flower, pedal moving. Rock the way back in the heels and start to push. Go, push. Body and push. Rock the way back in the heels. Right hip forward. Left armpit forward. Right arm forward. To the point where you feel like you're about to fall back.